Alright guys, 3:35, we're going to go live, run the numbers here for the game. We are live. 3:35. 3:35, grab a list. For Colts Titans tonight. Winner takes that division. Alright, our winner takes that final playoff spot. Alright, we got 10 entries. We roll 2 dice, 5 or higher, just like a Raz. 8's good, here we go. It's 1. Oh, hand. Forgot to type in numbers, there we go. Alright, now let's try it again. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times, dice is 8. Next click. And here's our numbers, I'll drop them. 336. We are done. Type done. We are done. 336. 336. Verification, timestamp.